I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to enable or disable sync phone notifications on the watch. So basically, do you want to synchronize all the phone notifications to the watch or not? So to do this, go to the Health app or the OHealth app on your phone, launch it, and then tap on Devices, and on your OnePlus Watch, tap on Notifications, and then you should see this category called Notifications from Phone Apps. So at the top there's the option to sync phone notifications, and you can disable that if you want and enable it if you want to. Okay, so that's how to disable or enable phone notifications on the OnePlus Watch 2. Okay, if you want them, enable. If you don't want them, disable them. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.